So this is the summary of the poem composed upon Westminster Bridge by William Wordsworth. So these are some of the important points about this poem. This poem is a sonnet and its full title is Composed upon Westminster Bridge, September 3, 1802. This sonnet was published in the collection Poems in Two Volumes in 1807. This sonnet was written when Wordsworth was staying in London with his sister Dorothy before moving to France. When Wordsworth crossed the Westminster Bridge early in the morning, he was so impressed by the view and beauty of London and Thames River, which was visible from the bridge, that he can't resist himself from writing this sonnet. So this is the text of this poem. And he starts the poem by appreciating the view which is visible to him when he's standing on the Westminster Bridge. And now he says that earth has nothing more beautiful to show than this scene visible to him from Westminster Bridge. Where is beautiful? Dull would he be of soul who could pass by a sight so touching in its majesty. Now he says person, that person's soul would be dull if he is not impressed by the beauty of this scene. If somebody is crossing this bridge and if he is not impressed by the beauty of this scene, then the soul of that person must be dull. And then he says, this city now doth like a garment wear the beauty of the morning. And now he says that this city of London is looking so beautiful early in the morning, and the beauty of the morning has covered the city the way a dress covers the body. So here a simile is being used, and he says the beauty of the morning has covered the London city the way a dress covers the body. And the entire scene is so calm and silent and naked to the eye. And now he's observing everything like ships, towers, domes, theaters, temples, and even the fields are visible because the entire atmosphere is so clean that he can even see the fields which are nearby from this bridge. And to the sky, all bright and glittering in the smokeless air. So all of these places are looking so beautiful and look so bright and are shining in the smokeless air. So air is smokeless. There is no smoke in the air because all the factories are closed, and this is early in the morning. So everything is still and calm, and air is also without any smoke. Never did sun more beautifully steep in his first splendor, valley, rock, or hill. Now he says that sun never looked so beautiful. In early in the morning, in his first splendor, what does it mean? Early in the morning, the sun looked never so beautiful, and valley, rock, and hill all are looking so beautiful under the bright rays of the sun. Never so I never felt a calm so deep. So now he says that he never felt such calmness, and he never felt, such beauty, which is so deep, which is appealing to his heart. Okay, the river glideth at his own sweet will. Now he's looking at the Thames River, which is flowing without being disturbed by anything. Okay, which is moving, yeah, which is flowing slowly, okay, and smoothly. And now he says, dear God, the very houses seem asleep. Now he says that it seems as if even the houses are sleeping, and all that mighty hurt is lying still. And what does it mean? That he feels, you know, a kind of peace of mind after witnessing this scene. So here Wordsworth contrasts London city during the day and during the early morning. During the day, London city is very busy and noisy, but early in the morning, it is motionless and it is calm and quiet. So he's contrasting the view of London city early in the morning and during the day. Okay, so this is the poem.